Okay, good afternoon or good evening or whatever time it is where you find yourself at. Uh, my name is Edward Shefeni, and I I'm going to present to you, or I'm gonna take you through a series of videos that will be like I'll be sharing them with you on my YouTube channel. Basically, they are going to be in my language. They are going to be in Oshiwambo, if I should say, although there will be some English incorporated in. I'm even wondering right now why I'm speaking English, but this is a kind of an introductory video. But in the process, we'll be carrying out everything gonna be done in Oshiwambo. Uh, my apologies to. I know Namibia is really constituted of quite a variety of tribes and languages that make up Namibia, but yeah, this is the point. I want to make it unique for Namibia, and I encourage anybody else who's out there and is he like probably empowering the community or empowering us as Namibians, who is from a different language or can speak another language but they understand or Shiwambo, to try to do some help me with the translation of whatever I'm gonna be sharing. I believe it's going to be of high value to us, and it's really going to build us as in our unique way as Namibians. And indeed, the point is to develop our country, not just is in our country, but it has to start from somewhere. We start from Namibia and possibly grow to the SADC level and go up to a level of Africa. Well, if I should just get into it and for you to understand what exactly I'm trying to do here or share with you, what I'm about to share is what I call Namibian road toward manufacturing or industrialization. I mean, this is quite a long or a broad subject, but I'm going to refine it in the process and try to make it as favorable to our condition, to our situation, that it can be able to really do all things in really that is suiting our situation. I'm trying to be to give this information in such a way that we should be efficient in delivering whatever we intend to deliver to our country for our development. If I can just give you kind of like a framework or a guideline, this is just a few first points. Probably they also broad, but I think, excuse me, I think they should be able to give you an idea of exactly where we are heading. I'm mostly focusing on innovation, as we know that the world is really growing to a very fast pace, and a lot of people who could be very innovative in some ways, lay in some way deep in our villages or wherever they might not get the education or get access to certain things as they could not be privileged as a lot of people. That's why probably sharing what I'm going to share would give access to a lot of people to tap into what they know. Especially we have a lot of blessed people, I mean in terms of inborn skills. Sometimes really I realize at some point that not so much that we really need some high level education to deliver. We just need a goal, to have a goal in your mind of what you want to deliver, and in the process probably you need to understand the process of how to go about it, and that's it. And of course being able to do it and just deliver it. Innovation is one of them. am an enthusiast in innovation, and I have a few projects that I've done. I'm going to share with you in the process. I'm basically going to focus mainly on the youth empowerment. I will target basically you guys, young people, because I believe the future is definitely in your hand or our hand. So yeah, why can't we do it? Um, I as we are talking about innovation, I'm mostly going to align myself or kind of get myself on the side of ICT, and the whole ICT spectrum. Um, well, as we are talking about ICT, I think not only ICT, but if we can kind of combine or put together the ICT and kind of mechanical, because we need manufacturing in the process, but somehow these two, especially in our era, in our age, we need to have them work hand in hand with each other, like parallel. Having said that, I try by all means that all my videos that I'm gonna be uploading, they should be within 10 minutes. I think 10 minutes. It's quite a long. It's quite a long time. Or yeah, I think 10 minutes will be good. I ask that you bear with me and excuse my English, because just I just learn it, and I'm not good. Okay, now to Tameken. I hope you don't mind my Oshiwambo handi population bano ne. Okay, nyatu katameke nyatu no process itu onda halana na amo following age ingu na omito kukara wa mona uno access anando kuli po computer shininga tokala kuli po computer tokamba vala pamwe name nyandika shashandika mbala kulonga wetu ilongere konga kucha. Okay, Eddie. Oh, my name is okay. Call me Eddie. I said Edward, but I prefer you call me Eddie. Tokamba kuilongera ko kunyandi kurukire ya nama andika kanda puka andi shitambura kolera andi shipandura gego wa shangai ko o komenda titura mo pevo manandi wa direction, and then o ka video haka karandura ko andi broko kanda pukulula ko ile andi broko kanda da improving, and wanda hala shashondete kucha o shirongo shitu oshapumbwa lelano tabiravira taendelesha shingeko totala uyuni paifenga totala uyuni omuna noinji shiri like talake kirongo gani ke ko China efuraga bimoto mirongo bali ke paifeni no shasha ya hepa nei ma paifenga go to ya tala no eli wei ke hepa mwe, so weshendage ya o inimambia wata tukakaleni twataleleni atani kucha atui longe monge andero okay esiko ihandi fuana ndinandi. So yeah, let's do it together. Namibian road toward manufacturing, toward innovation and manufacturing. Great. From my side, I'll see you again. Ciao.